In this video, I'll show you how to work with bugs in Jira. Alright, so here we are on the Jira dashboard, and what we're going to do is hit create so we can create a new bug report. Now, first thing we need to do is select our specific project and then change our work type to bug. We can then change our status from backlog, though for this we are not going to. Now we need to create a summary, so more like a heading for the bug report. Now, depending on how you have your hierarchy set up, you'll be able to select a parent. And here in description, we can write a detailed description of the bug. Then next we have priority, which you can set the severity of the issue. Now here in team, you can choose a team member. I have no team members on this board, so I've got no one to select. You can assign labels and start dates. And when you're done, you can just hit create unless you have some more things you want to do in the list here. Alright, so that covers how to create a bug report. So now we need to go to the board that has the bug report. And you'll see the bug report is right here in our backlog where we put it. And if we click in that, we can then read the bug report and get right on fixing that up. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.